Hi, once again, I'm your host, Kimmy from the Philippines. I'll be teaching you how to make the fortune teller, the origami fortune teller. So when I was a kid, we used to play this at school. And we would write names of our crushes, or names of our teachers, and anything in between. So I'll teach you how to do that today. So first, you need to pick your paper. I picked this one because it looks so cool. All right, so you need to fold it in half, like a pyramid, once again, just like so. There we go. And then after that, you do it one more time, but on the other side. So this will help you to make the squares that you want to do. So, all right. So now, what you want to do is to meet the corner. So this tip will meet the middle. We'll be folding it just like so. This doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry, it'll still work the same. So after that, you want to do the other side. So once again, just a reminder, you can use any type of paper. You can use craft paper, you can use butcher's paper, you can even use gift wrapping paper. There we go. This is where we're at now. So what we just did is meet the point in the middle. So all of that, and you made a square. Now you flip it over and do that once again, but on the other side. So the point, once again, meets the middle. At this point, you need to take your time because sometimes the designs can distract you, just like it did to me now. There we go. And then we need to continue that on until we manage to do all four sides. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It'll work just the same. There we go. And now it's gonna look like a smaller square. Now, what I find easier is that you folding it in the middle just like this. And then after that, you open the bottoms and separate it from the middle. And you do that once again on the other side. And then you open it up and do that on the other side as well. So now you can put your fingers in and then you can play. Just like that. Added bonus is if you want to write down any of your names, anything that you actually like. So yeah, what I do is I like to put colors just over here and on the inside some numbers and some answers in the inside. So yeah, that's your origami fortune teller. I hope you had fun. Once again, I'm your host, Kimmy. Bye.